Ow! Oh my gosh, my glasses just grabbed my hair and it hurts really bad. Anyway, 3, 2, 1. I wouldn't believe me if somebody told me that they did what I just did. Welcome to Smoke Shop. The drain line for the air conditioner is another concern. Where we were going to run it out. And what I have figured out is, if you look down into this hole, you see light in a nice cavernous area down there. Where we are going is directly in front of the rear wheel. If you've ever been under your van, you've probably seen these plugs. But I went ahead and pulled one and shoved a flashlight into it. What I discovered was that right there is the drain hole. And then I realized that if I pulled the plug from right here, give me that. There's a big plug and a little plug. I'm pretty sure that the big plug will give me access too, but I didn't need that much access. But the little plug gets us right in there. And I'm sure I have a grommet that'll fit in here for this. The last clip I showed you where the cavern, where the space was.
The space cavern.
So there's also an alternate option over here that I discovered. There is a dividing wall though between the two. But I literally, after I put the camera down, I shoved this hose down into there pretty much until it stopped going easily. Then climbed back underneath with a couple of picks. Oh, it hurts. It's so terrible. And hopefully this is still filming. Was easily able to guide that drain hose right out that hole. I'm probably going to possibly seal that up, but there's a drain hole right here that's attached to the same cavern, the same space.
The space cavern.
It clearly is not sealed up or it wouldn't be a drain hole. So if bugs are going to get in there, they're going to get in there. I mean the other way around, but you get what I'm saying. Anyway, I'm going to see if I have a gasket that's already this size. Otherwise I could make one out of the plug, but I don't know if I'm going to go to that effort. But we have drainage. I'm pretty confident that that's going to work. Or nothing. Nothing is definitely still a strong option. Don't forget to subscribe, guys! I see you, you haven't subscribed. God, that hurts. I don't know if y'all heard that or saw it, but anyway. Pro level install. Sprinter can finally relieve himself. So that's just my tip for the day. Just the tip from Smoke Shop.